A long-awaited return, a precious gift, and saving lives. When we witness such moments, we understand that there is kindness in this complex world, and now we want to show you these incredible good deeds. Let's go! This soccer fan came up with a unique set of hand gestures so that his deaf and blind friend could enjoy the game. Pilots noticed the toy plane and took it down from the tree to return it to its rightful owner. Any guesses what this guy might want to be when he grows up? This is what friends are for, to put out your car when it's on fire, for example. And in India, people united to pull out a truck that got stuck in a gorge 70 feet deep. Now that's what I call teamwork. Protesters in Hong Kong went to take down the barricade to let the fire truck through. Of course, they built it back up afterwards. This railway worker has a strong back and, more importantly, a kind heart. Kind people gave the homeless man a new jacket, and to him that meant more than a Christmas present. This Lamborghini found out this guy dreamt of riding in his car since he was little, so he made his dream come true.
Eu acho manicas, sigo forte tarefa, eu do forte morto, tanto como procura. Isso aí fez nada filho.
When the delivery driver was arrested, the police officer delivered the order in his place.
Thanks!
This boy was using a tablet in the shop's window to do his geography homework because he didn't have the gadgets or internet access at home. As a result, the staff gifted him a tablet, and now he can do homework at home. The conductor was leading a rehearsal on his birthday when suddenly,
Este individuo
20-year-old guy jumped out of a car in the middle of a highway to make way for an ambulance vehicle carrying a stroke patient and stuck in traffic.
ustedes que se encontraban en el tapón, si fuera que vieran este video, indígnense.
The motorbike driver dropped $3,000 he was taking to the hospital to pay for his mom's treatment. But take a look at what happens. Look what the truck driver saved a whole family from. And here the protesters are stepping aside to make way for 2 ambulance cars. The police officer wanted to warn the driver about improper parking. Turns out the guy was only there to bring the patrol officers an umbrella to shield them from the sun. The level of respect for the traffic police in China. And this is a surprise for a young refugee from Ukraine, organized on her 7th birthday from Romanian volunteers.
about that.
Imagine the emotions of this veteran when he saw a parade of 20 military cars in honor of his birthday.
It's Casey.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh, Casey.
Thank you for your service, sir. Very good to meet you. Oh, he's still trying.
This guy stopped a moving car when he spotted that the driver had a seizure. And afterwards, he made a humble escape, a real hero. And this is a dramatic account of rescuing a female driver during a flood. The main coach threw the puck to the young fan, but in the end, the boy got more gifts than he ever counted on. And this homeless man shared his food after simply being asked. The guy then thanks him, and check out his reaction. Boston fans helped to push the ambulance out of the mud. When you build a lift in your new home for a childhood friend,
Oh no, Frankie. Are you kidding me? Dying, what is
and this guy was $20 short to buy a new guitar, when suddenly,
So you're only $20 short?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm paying it forward.
Really? Oh my God. That's so incredibly nice of you.
Awesome.
I cannot believe it.
Wow.
can you please let me know where I should go shopping to run into this woman?
God, thank you so
Today
much.
is your lucky
What's
day.
your name?
Debit
My
or
name's
credit?
Judy.
The kindest cleaner in the world. During the pandemic, a stranger bought 500 face masks to a Chinese police station and fled. Imagine how difficult it was to keep the truck in that position alone, but other drivers came to this truck driver's aid.
I'm looking for a stranger to go skydiving with me tomorrow.
I get
You won't come?
Of course I will.
Are you being serious?
Yeah.
Why do you want to come?
Because I've never done it before. And you look, sweet.
A stranger offered this woman to skydive with him and made her dream come true. She definitely didn't regret saying yes.
You will work any jobs day or night. $5 an hour. That's your rate? Oh, baby.
A chance encounter with a kind person changed the life of this homeless person, who now has a home, a job, and a best friend. This blind man couldn't cross the road. Big thanks to this driver. The courier noticed an 81-year-old woman clearing the snow and decided that deliveries can wait. During a race, the athlete had a hamstring injury, but decided to carry on with the race no matter what. Seeing his pain, his father came down to the track to help him finish. This policeman driver was escorting a 90-year-old disabled gentleman to safety. The driver forgot to engage the manual brake on a rental car, and it was only stopped from falling into the water thanks to the heroes that jumped on its hood. This man's dog died, and his family decided to support him by giving him a puppy.
No.
Definitely not the best place to park. This truck was suspended at the height of 100 feet. But to pull out the car, the rescue crew committed a real heroic feat. This pickup had drifted and broke through the railings, but a complete stranger immediately jumped in to help the people in the car. Thanks to him, no one was hurt. Even the Chihuahua is okay. The son hasn't seen his dad, who's in the military, for 11 months, and this is the best surprise he could have asked for. During a catastrophic nature event, people risk their lives to rescue animals in need. If that's not kindness, what is? That's what it looks like to find the right approach with a child. You can commit an act of kindness right now by subscribing to our channel and watching even more awesome videos.